Hello everyone. Sometimes when you are working on React Native or Android Studio platforms, you must encounter an error when you run or build the app. Sometimes it shows that SDK location not found or showing error on app debug when you run React Native commands like React Native run Android or React Native run iOS. So this error actually occurred due to the system did not find the executable environment. So you just locate the SDK folder and add it to the environment variable. So let's start. Click on this PC, your C, go to users and go to the actual users which you are using. Click on view and check the hidden items. So go to app data, go to local folder and locate the Android folder. Click on it and here is your SDK folder. Click on it, click here and Control plus C and copy the location. So go to this PC and right click on it, go to properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables. Now here you just have to enter the user variables for your current users. So click on new and enter the locations here like this, and in variable name you just type Android home and click on OK, and here also click on OK and OK. So this your issue is resolved. Thank you.